Hey, what's going on, guys? Mikey T here again from Jamaica Story, a documentary all about the importance of Jamaicans worldwide and people who love Jamaica investing time as well as money into the country. Now, a couple years back, I was lucky enough to spot a United for Jamaica documentary on YouTube. And once I finished, I immediately reached out. Through technology, I was able to meet Al and Scully and have them do an interview of their experiences in Jamaica. And they constantly told me that I have to go to the yard. So I packed myself up and left from Westmoreland to Rockfort to go meet with Putta's Roots and the rest of the community. If you know Kingston, then I'm sure you've heard of Rockfort. Sadly, when you hear the name, your first thoughts may be poverty and crime. But let's take a step back and talk about the amazing cultural exchange that is happening right there in the heart of Rockfort, between Jamaica and France. Inside of Rockfort, you will find a culture yard, home to United for Jamaica. The culture yard is a place where Jamaica meets France, and through music, food, laughs, and fun, an exchange of culture and mutual love is going on like no other. These videos and these series of interviews goes to show you think you know a place until you really get down to the nitty-gritty. Because who would have ever thought that I would have left all the way from Negril, Westmoreland to go down to Rockfort to learn more about France and Jamaica